The forest is a place for real tough guys. One of them is our actor, Nick. Nick is not afraid of heavy-duty tasks. At work, he is assisted by Alco batteries, which are powerful and efficient. They also fit other equipment, for example this one, and this one, or this one too. Basically all of them. But let's come back down to earth. Luckily for Nick, he can do numerous things with the Alco InTouch app. He has everything at his fingertips using his smartwatch and smartphone. No matter where he is at the moment, he can check the status of his smart connected devices. While mowing, Nick can also push the smart button to, for example, he can open the door, show off his mowed lawn on the internet, or turn on the AC.
Cat.
You don't have to limit anything. Go to www.alco-garden.com and try out the Alco battery system for yourself.